Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to identify different types of sets, including finite sets, infinite sets, empty sets, and universal sets. So let's get started. First, what is a set? So let us identify first, or let us define first what is a set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects or elements. Example, we have this one. A is the set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, is a set of numbers. Again, A is the set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is set of a numbers. The objects inside the braces are called elements of the set. Ito po, ito. Itong number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, tinatawag yan na elements of the set. Finite set. A finite set is a set that has a countable number of elements. Example, A is the set containing elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So there are only 5 elements. So it's a finite set. When I say finite set, countable number. So mabilang po natin. So we have 2, 4, 6, and 10. So kung bibilangin natin sila, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are only 5 elements. Next is kabaliktaran naman. So we have infinite set. So when say infinite set has uncountable or endless elements. Example, we have B is the containing the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or so on. Ibig sabihin ng dot, it goes on forever. So, walang katapusan. So, B is an infinite number. When I say infinite set or infinite, uncountable or endless elements. Another is the empty set. Okay, when I say empty set, an empty set is also called null set, has no elements at all. Example, we have this one, this symbol. So C is the empty set kasi wala siyang laman. Okay? Wala siyang laman. So therefore, empty. Suppose C is the set of all triangles with 4 sides. So that is impossible because wala namang triangle na 4 sides. So therefore, our answer is empty set. Last is the universal set. Once a universal set, this is a set that contains the elements under consideration. Or other term is the set that has all the elements being considered in the problem. So this is universal set. So this is an example of a Venn diagram. So the universal set is indicated by rectangle sets. Ito siya. So this is the universal set. So universal set are the following: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So lahat ng numbers dito belongs to universal. A naman, so we have this one, itong circle na ito. So itong sakop ni A. So we have 3, 4, and 5. Sa B naman is itong circle na ito. Ang sakop naman niya is 1 and 5. A and B are only subsets of universal. Pero ito lahat ay sakop ni universal set. Okay? Nakuha. Okay, let's have recap. As you observe, so this is an example of finite set. A set that contains a countable number of elements. So lahat is nandyan. So mabilang natin. In other words, finite set has a definite number of elements. So makita natin or mabilang natin kung ilan yung nasa loob ng isang set. Next is the infinite. Okay, infinite, ibig sabihin, goes on forever. Sana all, forever. Ibig sabihin, hindi natin mabilang or walang katapusan. Next is, ano ito? Okay, very good. This is empty set. Has no elements. Walang nakalagay. Zero. Lastly, we have this one. Okay, this is example of universal sets. Contains all the elements we're considering. So I hope may naintindihan sa tutorial natin about the different types of sets. So if you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your classmates. So see you next time. Daghang salamat and magandang araw sa ating lahat.